Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Lelit Bianca espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work as we had to replace the vacuum release one. This one that you see right here was leaking a lot on the steam boiler and it was not letting the steam boiler pressurize and produce steam. So we had to replace this one that you see right here. We also did a tune-up and we also had to seal one of the leaks that it was coming from the water level probe. The water level probe, it was leaking tiny little bit. So we just took it up, completely sealed it, put it back together, clean it as well, and got the machine up and running. Once we had the machine up and running and pressurized, we did a tune-up, which means we replaced the gasket that is located right here. We also descaled both the steam boiler and the brew boiler of the machine as well. And yep, that's what we did with this espresso machine. So we do not have, unfortunately, the top grade cover or the tray of this machine. We're using a tray that I found randomly from another machine. So we're going to try to brew a shot right here. There you go. Nice shot of espresso. Even though we're using our test coffee, we got a little bit of crema on the top of that espresso shot as well. Flow control, it's working the way it's supposed to. We get no flow coming out from here. A little bit of flow for infusion around here. And for extraction, the whole flow over here. The steam, as you can see, nice and hot. Really good pressure coming out from the steamer one. Hot water, as you can see, excellent pressure and really good temperature. Machine pressurizing and filling up that boiler. And as you can see, that espresso shot still has crema and is still looking good. So there you have it. Lelit Bianca working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for depending on Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.